Hello everyone, this is Taron MY and I have a product from Nova which is a hair dryer and we are going to do a quick unboxing video of that. So let's open this thing up. Okay guys, so this is a hair dryer itself. We have an image over here and it has two modes, that's hot and cold. As you can see, let me zoom in. 1200 volt watts and it's also foldable. So let's open it up. Pretty decent product. This is adjustable. Also, you can unfold it. Yeah, that's it. Genie leather plastic. Wires are good. There's three options in this. You can adjust it like this. Okay, let's try if it works.